Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, live, learn, grow on Penyo channel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hello, hi, Penyo community, Bafenyi, Conquerors. We are more than conquerors. Unleash the power within. It's a feel good now kind of vibe. First timers, awesome. Welcome to Penyo channel. Subscribers and regulars, thank you, grateful, much appreciated. Keep coming and stay. Penyo means victory, for we are victorious. It's a triumphal procession. Today is better than yesterday and tomorrow will be better than today. Forex Trading for Beginners and Dummies by Giovanni Rigters. The word beginners and dummies is what the author likes to use in most of his financial books. I choose to go with beginners. The financial industry is broad and has to be explored for one to not to regret opportunities that come their way. Forex trading is regarded as a business, so once you reach the required threshold, you are liable to pay tax. Make time to learn and see how it works for you, because it is challenging, pushes you to be flexible and to adapt to different situations and use your own discretion, not going by the book. Forex is high risk and high risk has high rewards. You can say otherwise, but life also is a high risk. Leaving the house or staying inside comes with its own risks. Forex has its rules and regulations to follow, requires a lot of patience, a sober mind, timing, wisdom, and proper strategies. Even though you are required to stay away from a choppy market, I would advise to try and master it, because in times of uncertainty, that's the kind of market you will find, and there are ways to it. We learn as we grow. Summary of the book. Forex is the trading of currencies across a foreign market. It's the most common in tourism. It is a global industry. Knowledge is key to your success. There are two questions every Forex trader has to answer. Why do currency change the way they do? How can you profit from that movement? As you gain knowledge, you will need to understand the economic, political, and market dynamics. Only when you have this knowledge and understanding will you be able to experiment with trading strategies, figure out various order positions, and improve your profit margin. Find a broker. There is a lot for you to learn about the currency market before you're ready to trade. Not every currency used around the world is available for trade on the Forex market. Smaller countries may not have enough currency volume to be traded. It takes discipline to stick with a trading plan to ensure you earn the 90% profit margin that you are going for. Emotions can affect your discipline. Emotions such as fear and happiness can cause mistakes. You have to be decisive to make a decision. You can buy, speculate, sell, or even exchange currencies. This market is made out of banks and companies, brokers and investors, and much more. These firms and people make it possible to have a steady exchange rate in foreign currencies to reduce the risk of fluctuation. Forex has a high rate of success and draws in many people from across the board. Reasons why this market is desirable: flexible hours, 24 hours Monday to Friday, large industry in the world of finance with over $4 trillion traded daily. High liquidity, high leverage. Patience is key. Forex trading is all about having patience. When you start small, you might see it frustrating and slow, but it keeps you disciplined. Make sure that you start and grow your account step by step. Do it regularly. The Forex market is dynamic and you have to keep up with the changes. As you trade, you get more and more knowledgeable about the things that happen in Forex trading. Take time to learn new techniques and engage with other traders to understand what they do to be successful. Make sure you look at various reasons the market is moving in a specific direction. Forex trading gives you two major types of tools to use: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis focuses on events that will change the performance of a currency pair. Technical analysis involves looking at price action and its effects on the market, including the trends, movement, and reversal patterns. Making money on Forex is all about buying a currency pair at a low price and then selling it at a higher price to make profits. You pay the broker a commission from the trade called the spread. A demo account is all you need to achieve the skills necessary to give you the push you need. The demo account is a simulation of the way the live trading system works, and it gives you the practice you need. When you use the demo account, you don't face any risk, and it gives you an idea of whether the market is ideal for you or not. A disadvantage in trading is that there are too many scammers ready to grab your loot. This is why you need to identify the best broker to work with that will not cheat you and that can guarantee you better results. A high risk without any intellectual decision is gambling. There are ways that you can set up an order to favor the expected outcome of the order. The point is that while the market may indicate a certain outcome, it is up to you to ensure that you protect your position. Liquidity is the amount of volume or number of sellers and buyers looking to trade at a current price. High liquidity can ensure a monumental currency price movement. Liquidity is going to vary for the currency pairs. The trade cannot be filled if there is not enough liquidity to make it happen. The risk per trade is how much you are willing to lose if the market moves against your position. It is a percentage of your capital based on the lot size and the value of the pip. Risk management plans are based on your trading plan. Your trading plan helps you determine an entry position to take when opening a trade. Your risk management portion of that trade is the order type. The exit position or closing the trade is based on your risk management put into effect. The order type refers to how you trade or exit a trade. Market order allows you to enter at the best price currently available. Limit order is going to limit how you buy or sell in the market. If the price was 1.1426 but you wanted to buy it at 1.420, then you would enter a limit order. Your order would not be filled until the price hit 1.1420. The idea is that you buy below the market price or sell above the market price. Stop entry is like a limit entry. You can set a certain price to buy or sell. Stop loss is used to prevent losses. Every currency goes through phases regularly as part of the natural market cycle. The boom phase, which can be easily identified, is low volatility and high liquidity. Look at the state of the global market as a whole to determine how it could affect your trading pair. The best traders are those who prepare for the worst while at the same time hoping for the best. Unemployment, inflation, interest rates, these factors are extremely important when it comes to determining the overall disparity between the interest rates of specific countries in the near future. Keep tabs on the amount of debt that the countries in question are dealing with, as well as their reputation of repayment on the global market. Sometimes the market simply doesn't behave in the way that it realistically should. This is due to market sentiments. Choose the right trend. Start by identifying the trend in the daily chart, then working inwards from there until you reach your target chart. Fundamental analysis allows traders to look at the currency pair as well as the country, economy, and government behind that currency to determine if it is time to invest in a currency pair or not. Technical analysis is all about looking at what has occurred with currency in the past. You look at the different charts and graphs to get a good idea of all the trends and overall movements that occur with that currency. The charts used are known as price charts. They show the exchange rate of a currency over time. You look at the charts and make predictions about whether the trend you see will continue or reverse in the next few hours. As a beginner, you will spend a lot of your time looking at the simple moving average. This average is going to calculate from a set of price points by adding them together and then dividing the outcome by the number of points that you choose. You can go with about 20 points for most currency. Look for support and resistance. Currency pair bounce a bit going between high and low levels. The lower part is the support and the higher part is the resistance. Look for the breakout trends. These are the trends that will break out of the resistance and support levels. If you can look at a currency pair and find 3 different indicators that suggest that it is time to trade at a specific price, then you know it is safe and profitable to go with. Once you find this, then it is time to set up an order. To check the credibility of a broker, you need to contact a regulatory body that will give you information on the broker. Each country has a regulatory body that is capable of giving you this information. High liquidity times comes with narrow spread, while low liquidity times come with a high spread. A broker that has been on the market for more than 7 years deserves your business because it shows that they have mastered the art. Automation of the trading. The major benefit of this program is that you can step away from the system, let your trade be executed on your behalf. It also eliminates the emotions that are part of trading, making you benefit from the trade better than the way you trade when you are full of emotions. When you decide to go this route, make sure the broker gives you the necessary infrastructure to achieve the automation. Trading Forex. Plan your trade. Draw the investment plan you just made. Quote, if you can't describe the process of what you are doing, you don't know what you are doing. W. Edward Deming. Learn the difference between investing and speculating. The speculator takes advantage of the price difference between the value of the sale and purchase of the deal, not interested in dividends distributed by listed companies. The investor, also known as a long-term trader, invests his capital by providing liquidity to the currency pair. They keep the trade for maximum profits. Understand the importance of timing and the impossibility of getting it right. Understand when it is the right time to buy and sell currencies. If the correct price levels are not identified, there could well be the risk of entering the market at a risky point. Learn your strengths and weaknesses. What makes you smarter than the market? What is your competitive advantage? Is your strategy versatile? Quote, the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Wall Street. Be able to explain the strengths and weaknesses of your strategy. There are different strategies to use. This is one way to it. Take a close look at the index of the currency. Look at some good movements. Look at the charts for the pair that you want to trade. Look at different time frames. You want to take special care to look for any patterns that occur across these time frames, especially ones that might have some impact on what is happening on the currency pair right now. Look at the daily chart to help you get a good idea of whether you should buy or sell. Move to the 4-hour chart. Check to see whether the indicators stay the same. Move to the 1-hour chart. Look for support and resistance. If you can find these lines, then pay attention to all the interval of 10 minutes to see if these lines change at all. Once you know the best interval for buy or sell because you see the resistance and support levels are hit, then it is time to make your position. Set the positions and orders. You can exit out of your position when the movement has traveled down in the opposite direction. When the trade enters the support where you start with, there's resistance if you start with support. It is time to end the trade. You can repeat this with the next interval. When you continue to do this, you will find yourself hitting the pip target regularly and it won't seem hard either. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Be the light and keep shining. Heart to heart, from my heart to yours, it's all love. La 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 la. Heart to heart, from my heart to yours, it's all love. Thanks for watching. Pay your channel. Take care. Love, joy, peace, faith, hope. La la la. La 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 la. La la la. La la la.